Hello, welcome to Critic USA. The futuristic Aston Martin featured here is nothing short of a visual masterpiece. Designed for the enthusiast who demands both style and performance, this modified version transforms the already iconic Aston Martin into an aggressive, track-ready and road-dominating machine. From the moment it comes into view under studio lighting, the car's commanding presence is undeniable. Finished in a bold matte yellow, it's a statement vehicle that doesn't just whisper performance, it shouts it. Starting with the exterior, this Aston Martin has been heavily reimagined. A wide body kit gives the car a broader, more muscular stance. This enhancement not only improves aerodynamics but also delivers an aggressive, race-inspired look. The oversized custom alloy wheels, wrapped in deep tread performance tires, are built for maximum grip and visual impact. These wheels are painted in gloss black, complementing the yellow bodywork and enhancing the car's overall visual balance. The front of the vehicle is a masterpiece in itself. A custom grille, flanked by sharp, angular LED headlights and sweeping daytime running lights (DRLs) defines the futuristic character of the car. The front bumper has been redesigned to include integrated LED light bars, offering both utility and aesthetics. Black and carbon fiber accents across the front fascia add to the car's intimidating road presence. From the side, the Aston Martin's sleek profile is exaggerated by custom side skirts, flared fenders, and deeply tinted windows that not only enhance privacy but also complete the car's aggressive theme. The lowered suspension and wide wheel arches hint at high-speed stability and tight cornering capability, emphasizing the car's potential both on the road and the track. The rear continues the bold aesthetic. Sleek LED tail lights, a redesigned bumper with aerodynamic cutouts, and a dual exhaust system sit beneath a large rear diffuser. Every line and curve of the car has been refined to enhance both performance and appearance. Inside, while not visible here, one can only expect the finest in luxury, technology, and motorsport-inspired design, true to Aston Martin tradition. This hyper-realistic rendering showcases the car in a high-resolution 8K setting, with precise studio lighting and hyper-detailed reflections that make every curve and surface pop. Whether you're an automotive designer, a car lover, or a collector, this build represents the perfect fusion of elegance, aggression, and futuristic design. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more insane car modifications, luxury vehicles, and futuristic builds like this one, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more epic automotive content.